The genius interior concept of the Japanese-style tiny home showcased an exceptional blend of built-in cabinets and stage cabinets, thoughtfully unified into a single functional unit. This integration maximizes space without overwhelming the room, offering an impressive amount of hidden storage while maintaining a clean, minimalist look. One of the standout features is the sliding loftbed ladders, designed to move horizontally to the left or right depending on use. This clever mobility ensures the ladder does not permanently obstruct movement or dominate the space below, enhancing both flexibility and flow in the compact layout. Despite its small footprint, this tiny home accommodates a generous wardrobe and ample storage areas for the owner's belongings, making it highly livable for long-term residents. With its seamless combination of multifunctional furniture, smart storage, and space-saving mechanism. The interior feels as luxurious and efficient as top-tier apartment. The Japanese design masterpiece proves that compact living can be both elegant and richly practical.